cry, no one cares, and no one tries. I see children in the night. We need bread for the broken, give some bread to the broken. We need hope for the hopeless, give some hope to the hopeless, hopeless. Bread for the broken, broken. Need some bread for the broken children. Speech, can you tell us about that?
I cannot live my life daily knowing I am connected to you. So what am I to do if I was in your shoes? I hope and pray that someone reach out to me and pull me from my blue. So won't you grab my hand, baby, let me pull you to me. Let me see what I can do so you can be free. Won't you grab my hand, brother, let me help you now. Take this love from my heart and put this food in your mouth. And let me paint a picture of freedom. Let me paint the picture of healing. Let me paint the picture of humans who are loving and giving. We need bread.